Insert coins into this place, and the tree will look beautiful. This grandma's trick will keep the tree fresh longer. Remember it on the day you bring the tree home. Before placing it in the stand, throw one item into it. It's about copper coins. Literally, a few pieces are enough. Copper destroys harmful bacteria, germs, microorganisms, pathogens, mold, fungi, and viruses. Such coins thrown into the water will keep its freshness longer. The likelihood of the tree trunk rotting will be lower. Let me know how much you paid for your tree this year. Write the city and the price in the comments. Cut off a few branches from your Christmas tree. You'll be shocked at what you can do with them. Take pruning shears and cut off a few small branches. Literally, a few are enough. They won't be noticeable on the tree, and it turns out they have a brilliant use at home. Cut the branches into smaller pieces with pruning shears. Prepare a large jar. It should be sterilized and clean. Place the branches in it. They should fill the entire jar. Then, prepare a liter of alcohol. Pour it over the needles. Close the jar and let it sit for 2 weeks. During this time, the mixture will change color. The vinegar will absorb the needles. Prepare a strainer and strain the liquid. Then, pour it into a spray bottle. Finally, add 1 branch for decoration. This solution is excellent for cleaning mirrors, bathrooms, and even floors. It leaves no streaks, disinfects, and smells beautiful. It has natural cleaning and stain-removing properties. It helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Do this with the Christmas tree trunk before placing it in the stand. The tree will stay fresh longer and won't shed needles. This trick was revealed to me by a forester. Use a pen to mark 3 crosses on the trunk. If the trunk is thicker, you can use more crosses. It's important that they are evenly spaced. Often, Christmas trees are cut a few weeks earlier, and you can see on the trunk that it has started to dry out slightly. You should trim 2 centimeters off the trunk. However, there is a better way to do it. Prepare a drill. It's important that the drill bit is thick. Lay the tree down. Drill holes in the previously marked spots. Each hole should be about 4 centimeters deep. Why drill these holes? After buying a tree, we often don't check the condition of the trunk. It's often slightly dried out already. Thanks to the drilled holes, the trunk will better absorb water. A regular household drill is sufficient. Place the prepared tree in the stand, and it's ready. It will look fresher for a longer time. Needles won't fall as quickly, and the branches will be firmer. Christmas tree stands have a function that most people forget about. That's why their trees quickly shed needles. They have screws to support the trunk. However, its interior plays an equally important role. It turns out to be airtight. The container where the trunk is placed also serves as a water reservoir. It should be filled before putting up the tree and topped up once a week so that the tree has a constant supply of water. Water is responsible for the firmness and freshness of the branches. Many people forget that there should be water in the stand. This causes the Christmas tree to quickly droop and shed needles. Do you use this feature of the stand?
Add to water and water your Christmas tree. It will instantly stop shedding needles. No more worrying about needles all over the floor before Christmas Eve. Every live Christmas tree needs a constant supply of water, so make sure you have a stand that holds water. The tree's size and the room temperature will largely determine how often you need to water it. Check daily to see if there's water in the stand, though even then, trees can lose needles. Here's a simple trick to prevent that. Prepare a special mixture and add it to the water each time you water the tree. This will help it retain its needles. The method is straightforward, but it's essential to prepare the mixture with the right proportions. Use slightly warm water for this fertilizer to help the ingredients dissolve better and faster. For each liter of water, you'll need 3 tablespoons of the mixture, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm preparing half a liter, so I'll use half a tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. Dissolve the sugar and salt in warm water, and the tree fertilizer is ready. Now, water your Christmas tree and enjoy its beautiful green needles all season long.
For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully.
Gigantic decoration for Christmas. It beautifully adorns the entrance of the house, terrace, or living room. All you need is ordinary cardboard and Christmas chains. For wrapping the Christmas gift, you will also need ribbon, preferably as wide as possible. I have silver chains and red ribbon. I wrapped the cardboard with stretch film because I want to be able to place this Christmas gift in front of the entrance to the house. This way, rain and snow won't dampen the cardboard and won't damage the Christmas decoration. Use hot glue to attach the beginning of the chain at the corner of the cardboard and wrap the cardboard from all 4 sides. Periodically, glue the chain to the foil. When the first chain runs out, take another one and continue the process. I have quite thick and dense chains, so wrapping the Christmas gift is quick. When all 4 sides are wrapped except for the bottom and top, start gluing the chain on top of the Christmas gift. We won't cover the bottom part because it will stand on the ground. On the top part of the Christmas gift, glue the chain next to each other. When you finish, the Christmas gift will be almost ready. Now, just take the ribbon and wrap it around the Christmas gift. Tie a bow in the middle of the Christmas gift. It's easiest to tie a large bow on your feet. Simply wrap the feet with ribbon twice and then tie the bow in the middle. And it's done. You can place such a Christmas gift at home by the fireplace, Christmas tree, or outside as a beautiful large decoration. The silver chains will reflect light and shimmer with all colors. It looks beautiful and captivates everyone who sees it. And it's so easy to prepare.